What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I always fix my hair as soon as I start talking. Anyways, guys, I'm back with another video. As y'all can see, I am not in Temple. I am in Roger today. And the reason for that is because of the thumbnail and the title of this video. I'm going to be showing y'all how to wash my engine bay, obviously. That's why y'all clicked on the video. AutoZone to get the stuff to clean it. And I don't want to drive Temple because his engine will be hot and then I have to wait. Even though it's cold outside, I don't have the privilege of time right now. So I'm actually getting ready to start the car. Y'all will probably be able to hear it from in here, so we'll just start it up. Oh, that did not sound good. That did not sound good at all. You can't work in the parking lot at AutoZone? No working on vehicles in parking lot. I can't talk. I'm so flabbergasted. All right, as y'all can see, I made it back from AutoZone. Hey, just let y'all know. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and go ahead and subscribe while you're here. All right, so this is what I got. Y'all already know about this turtle wax. I use that all the time. And this is new, the Meguiars Detail Citrus Power Cleaner Plus. They didn't have what I was looking for, so I just got this because it said you can use it in your engine bay. So hey, and then I also got this to scrub the engine bay. Yeah, just to rub it down real good. And yeah, so I'm hoping the y'all can see and everything. I'm about to pop this joint. Y'all brace yourselves because this heifer is dirty. Oh, I need the key. Y'all, the moment of truth. Here's the engine bay. Boy, I am the second owner of this car. If you've been staying connected to the channel. I don't think that ninja cleaned this once. It's cool because it's mine now, so I'm gonna take care of it. Anyways, so here it is. Here's the before. I'm gonna show y'all the after. Sorry for the lighting. We on the wrong side of the house. And it's cold, so bye. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna start by well, actually I covered up my intake because you don't want to get water on that, and I also covered up my alternator because you don't want to get water on that. Now it can take a little bit of water, but I'm not trying to mess anything up. This is an expensive car and I'm not trying to fix it like that. So I got some water in this. This is not microban, even though this stuff is really good. Like if you can't get Clorox, get this. But for your house. But anyways, this is water in here, so I'm getting ready to just hit this with some water to get stuff primed and stuff. Just hit the core spots, Oh, let me take these things off. And I got y'all in the wide view so y'all can see everything. Let me get this all out of here, bro. Good Lord, there's a lot of y'all in here. All these pine trees around the house. Alright. For the record, y'all ain't gonna see me no more this whole video because, boy, it's cold. Oh, y'all see me now, and I'm bundled up. What is that? That just broke off? I don't even know what that is, bro. My fault too, y'all. I'm trying to do this jump one-handed. I don't have nobody to record for me. Because my brother went off and got married, and he left me to defend for myself. No, I'm just playing. He's actually here today. I can't get that stuff out. Alright, back to the water. Supposed to be a light foaming agent, so This joint already look a million times better. All right, now I'm gonna hit it with this brush, y'all. All right, y'all, so I pretty much got everything sprayed and scrubbed. Now I'm ready to go in with a microfiber and wipe it down a little bit. And what I missed, I'll go back and rinse and repeat. All right, y'all, so unfortunately, AutoZone didn't have really what I was looking for. So the engine bay is not really shining. It is clean. You can tell it's clean. You know, there's no dirt, debris on most areas. I was a little nervous, so I didn't go crazy, and I didn't want to spray water in my engine. So, but as you can see, like, I can wipe this. There's nothing here. Wipe this. Nothing here. That's clean. So it's clean. It's just not shining. So if you want to just get your engine made clean, I do recommend the meguiars Citrus Power Cleaner Plus, but it's not gonna give it that shine. Like, I know a lot of people use the Simple Green or whatever the case may be on other YouTube videos, but I didn't, just like I said, I didn't have the privilege of time of going to Walmart and all that. But here it is. This is pretty much the end of the video. If y'all see anything else, it is extra footage, so enjoy. Make sure y'all watch the whole video. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. And until next time, bye.